In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track downloads in Google Analytics. If you share resources like PDFs, spreadsheets, slide decks, or zip files on your site, it's important to know whether visitors are actually clicking to download them. Google Analytics makes this easy with a built-in setting that detects file download clicks for you, no extra code required. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to turn it on, so downloads start showing up as events in your reports. First, open your Google Analytics account and sign in. From the main interface, look toward the lower left corner and click the Admin option to open your property's administrative settings. This is where all the core configuration lives, from data collection to stream level options. In the Admin area, select Data Streams. Think of a data stream as the specific source that sends data into Analytics. Since we're enabling download tracking for a website, choose Web. Click the web stream that corresponds to your site to open its details. Inside the web stream panel, click the settings icon. This takes you to the stream's measurement controls. Here, you'll see a section for automatic tracking features that help capture common interactions without manual tagging. Find the option labeled File Downloads. Toggle it on. That's the key step. With this switch enabled, Google Analytics will automatically capture an event whenever someone clicks a link on your site that points to a downloadable file. You don't have to rewrite links or add special parameters. Analytics watches for common file extensions and logs the interaction for you. From this point on, every time a visitor clicks a qualifying file link, Google Analytics will record a downloadable event behind the scenes. This event is designed to help you understand which assets attract attention, how often they're accessed, and which pages or campaigns are driving download activity. It's especially useful for lead magnets, gated resources, or support documents where engagement matters but doesn't always result in a traditional page view. A couple of quick tips for clarity as you work through this. Make sure you're in the correct web data stream for the site where your files live, since the setting applies at the stream level. Also, remember that this toggle focuses on link clicks to files. It won't retroactively track past downloads, but it will capture new ones as soon as it's turned on. That's it. By opening your account, heading to Admin, selecting Data Streams, choosing Web, clicking the settings icon, and toggling on File Downloads, you've enabled automatic download tracking in Google Analytics.